Hey guys, Gatorwave the Third here, back again for another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a glitch to let you go to the 30B field, or B place, whatever it's called, without having 30 Bs. All you need is 22 Bs discovered, and that's pretty much it. And 10 haste, you need 10 haste too. So, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so it is at times 6 right now. Now it's times 7 haste. Almost at times 10. Times 8. Let's go. Haste Bs. Yes! Times 9. One more. One more. One more. Yes, there's one. Times 10. So reset character. And now I will run to the cannon, shoot the cannon, and run inside. And see, I'm in the 30B place without having 30 Bs. But before you do anything, I need to show you some secret stuff in here. Like this ticket right here, I already collected it, but it gives you 10 tickets. And down there, you may see this bear down there. That bear, if you look on his right leg, or left leg, there is a circle, like it's a diamond egg. So if you use a parachute to go down there and get it, then you get the diamond egg. And that is the end of the video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to play this game for yourself, click the link in the description below. See ya!